Hello everyone, I am Manav, and in this video we are going to learn about what is the meaning of combustion and also about the different type of combustion. So let's begin with our daily life example. You must have seen a burning paper. Alright. You must have seen a burning paper or a burning candle. Or and we take example also for our what do we say this? I'm not getting. Yes, that forest are firing Amazon forest. You must have heard last year there was a huge fire in the um, in the forest of the Amazon. And another example we take when we do like this, we having two stones, and when I do like this, they form some sparks. It is an example explosion of the LPG gas. You must have heard about the LPG gas that you are using in your house. The gases that you are using in your homes, that red colored cylinder is LPG. If you do some, if you left it as that cylinder as a in an environment, after some time it will started, it will do explosion, a big, huge explosion. I'm right. So there's explosion, burning of matchstick, burning of paper. We are using these LPG gas, explosion of LPG gas. These all are combustion. All these things have combustion. They are the type of combustion. Rapid combustion and spontaneous combustion and our explosion. You must have seen the crises that are going on in Taliban. I'm right. So that there's some crisis going on. Taliban also have some weapon. They have some bombs. A big explosions. So when the explosion happens, there would be a sound, a great sound. There will also be a great light that will glow when that bomb explosion takes place. So all these things are our combustion. Now you will say, but what is the meaning of combustion? What do you mean by combustion? Combustion is a chemical change. Combustion is a chemical change which, when a substance reacts with oxygen, form a heat, generate heat. That process is known as combustion. Formation of heat due to of the react of the oxygen is known as combustion. Yes. If a substance, I have a substance that can react with the our oxygen. When it will react, it will form. It can also form some generate sound, a little sound or a big sound, a huge sound. It will also emit some light. It will also generate heat. Heat is too much important. Without it, there would be no combustion. So we get to know about the combustion, that combustion is a chemical change when a substance reacts with oxygen. When a substance reacts with oxygen and it forms heat, it emits light, and it also sometimes it may also form sound, is known as combustion. Burning of paper is a chemical change or a physical change? Obviously, it will be a chemical change. Now you will say, how it is a chemical change? Because when the particle, the intermolecular particle or the atom, whatever you say, particles are too much tightly bonded, because it is a before burning, it is in the solid form, but after burning it's changing to ash. When it changes into ash, if you will try to zoom, you will find only one thing. Only. What is that? That thing is particles are too much different from the particle before the paper is not burned. Yes. And our explosion take place when. So if explosion took place, let's suppose explosion took place yesterday. The things that are before the explosion will not be after the explosion. You would not find any object that is same as same after the explosion, same as same before the explosion. So this is the point. Or the explosion, a bullet. Let's suppose a bullet of a gun. First, before it is launched by the handler, it is in solid shape. But after that, when it launched, there will be a flame at the at the bottom side. So I cannot say that I will find it as same. There is combustion. When the matchstick burns, before the matchstick burns, at that time it is in being in a solid shape, but after that it changes to black ash. There's a combustion. So our definition is crystal clear that what is a combustion is. So there are three type of combustion. What are these three type are? So there are three type of combustion: rapid combustion, spontaneous combustion, and third, explosion. Let's move on to a rapid combustion. You must have heard, today we will do rapid revision. This is a rapid revision video of the combustion and flame. So rapid mean fast, super duper fast. Super duper fast combustion. It will not take few month, few hour, few minute only, or few second, and it not take few month, few week, few days, few years. Our burning of paper, it only takes few second or 1-2 minute. Not 1-2 minute, only few seconds. So that is our rapid combustion. And spontaneous combustion, I think I'm pronouncing it wrong. I'm not getting the right word. Let's suppose spontaneous combustion. In the spontaneous combustion, the thing naturally burns. If you take out the sodium in the air, what you will see when it reacts with the air, it will naturally burn. Naturally. This naturally combustion is our spontaneous combustion. Let's take example of forest fire. In the beginning of the video, I have made an example of the our Amazon forest. Last year there was a huge and a huge and a huge and a huge fire that Amazon our forest was completely burned, but not completely, not at all it is completely burned, but there were many damages and all of the thing like this. So what's happened there, what happened last year is 2-3 trees crashed. The maker has resistance. When they crash, there is a heat generation. And you know that wood is also as we say, it's a good and a good solid fuel that can be burned. It get burned and burned and burned. This is a spontaneous combustion. Let's move on to the explosion. Explosion is the do 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 dhamaka. A big explosion. I have also made example of the rockets, of a firing rocket, a fired rocket. So this is an explosion. In explosion, 3 things will be formed. There will be generation of 3 things. First, sound will be there. Second, light will be emitted. Third, our heat will be generated. It is compulsion. These 3 things should be there. Yes. So let's move on to the fuel. What is the meaning of fuel? Because without fuel, there will be no combustion. So we'll have to learn about the fuel. What is fuel? A substance that is going into the process of combustion is our fuel. Coal is fuel. Yesterday I made a video on this. Our second, what do we say this? Wood, LPG gas, kerosene, petrol, diesel. All these things are fuel. There are 3 types of fuel. Fuel are being characterized into the 3 types by the humans. Which is those 3 types? First, solid. Second, liquid. Third, gaseous. In the solid, the fuel that are in the solid shape, in the solid state, they are known as solid fuel. Solid fuel. Coal, wood are example of this. Liquid that are in liquid state, kerosene, diesel, petrol. Third, gaseous, LPG gas, CNG gas, biogas. So all these things are our three type of fuel. So I hope, friend, you understand our today's topic. Our topic is fully completed. Thank you.